and gentlemen, we have Shimal in the house. Yes, Shimal. So Shimal, she's complaining about her hair. Why she's complaining? Because she say, I have so much damaged hair and it's super dry. I said, don't worry, we have the solution for it. And she asked, what is the solution? I said, yes, laminated. Laminated is a new product basically for the JR company, which is, it's me, yes, it's me, yes. So, what is the difference between the laminated, nano-laminate, and the keratin? So the laminate, it will seal the cuticle around the whole shaft hair. So basically it will seal it. It makes it so silky and healthy. And there is no formulated. It's 100% formulated free. There is no chemical. There is no gas, nothing. It's very safe to use at your salon without using any fan or anything. So today, Shimal is here. We're gonna make her hair very nice and silky. And as you could see, it's absolutely, since she had like a bleach on her hair, they absolutely dry her hair. It's super, super, super dry. So stay with us and we're gonna start doing the nano laminate for her. And after an hour and a half, you will see how we will make her hair silky, shiny, and we will see her smile after it's done. Are you ready? Yeah, she says she is ready. Let's do it. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's start it. So this is after we shampoo 2 times with Clarify shampoo. Now you could see her real hair. See how damaged is her. When you pull it, see all gone. So this is basically like almost 80 to, I would say 90% damage. So after you did the 2 times shampoo, the Clarify shampoo, so we're gonna start making her hair 4 section, and we start a nano laminate on her hair from, I would say like a 1/4 inch from the roots to the ends. So you make like 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 section. And then what you could do, you just start from the nape area in the back and you go up. So how to apply it? So basically, let me push this way so you can see it. This is how much section. So you just basically should have one of those rattle comb. That's very important. It's very important, a rattle comb. You just comb and you apply the nano laminate. It's very creamy. You do it like I would say 1/4 inch from the roots, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. And then you comb it. Oh my God, it smells so good. That's why I like it, because it's a formaldehyde free. There is no formaldehyde in this. 100% free. And just keep going with your finger. And if you feel it needed more, apply more, but it doesn't need it. This is how much it needs to be applied to the hair. You don't need too much. And then you go to the next section. You just continue. You keep continuing and doing basically all the keratin from here, then the next, and next. Okay? So after we apply all this, I show it to you one more time. It's very creamy. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you comb. Very easy. You just keep combing. And then whatever is left, you could see it. But this is show you it's perfectly enough. It's not too much. Just keep combing. Keep combing until you reach through the whole hair. See, it's not too wet, it's not too dry. This is perfect. So just keep continue this all the way, and then I will tell you the next step. All right, so as you could see, we already done to apply the nano laminate because it's already done. We make it 4 section, 1, 2, 3, 4. We start from the back, then number 2, number 3, number 4. So now our model, she has to go stay in the room temperature. So you don't need to put the shower cap or anything. If you want, that's no problem. And after 50 minutes to 55 minutes maximum, So you take her to the shampoo bowl and you rinse the nano laminate only 50%. Very quick rinse, please, not too much. Very quick rinse, and then she will come back. We start doing the blow dryer and then a flat iron. Stay tuned with our beautiful model Shimal. Thank you. All right, so as you could see, after we apply the keratin, we rinse the hair about 50%, and then after that we start doing the blow dryer. After you do the blow dryer, that's the time you are doing the flat iron. So you basically keep doing all the hair. So you just have to do just to dry the hair. So after you finish the blow dryer, then you do section by section, which is we already did, and then you just apply the iron. So it depends on the hair thickness. So you could go from 380, I would say, to about 440 or 420. It really depends on that. And if you use in JR flat iron, make sure you use it on the vibration, so it makes it easier, faster, and it seals it better. So you have to repeat it at least, I would say, 6 times. If you use a JR iron. If you use a regular, I would highly recommend at least 10 times. You could already see the shine to the hair. And there is no gas, there is no smoke, because this is a formaldehyde free. So after you finish all the flat iron, make sure to do it one more time all over the hair, just in case if you missed some section, so you could reapply it again and just do the iron, which is I'm doing it right now. Perfect. All right, so our beautiful model Shimal, it's done. And as you could see how shiny and silky, she got a gorgeous hair now with the healthy hair. Thank you for watching Nano Laminate.